guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I will show you how you can send and receive a fax messages on your Samsung Galaxy S23 Plus. So we have to start from opening the Google Store and then look for the fax app. You will find a lot of them in the store. I'm always using the top fax app. As you can see, I have installed it before, so we can now launch it. Then choose that you want to take a notification from this app and allow permissions to your gallery and camera. Then, if you want to choose the document to send, just click on this little plus and choose the source of it. I will make a photo now. As you can see, now we can adjust the shape of your document, and if you are ready, click here. This is our document. Now choose the filter to make it more visible, and you can also add a signature, text and graffiti by these icons. Click OK, and as you can see, now we can add our signature to the document. If you're ready, click here, and this is how it works. So, if you want to send the document, click on this button, and if you want to send only this one, just type the number in this place, and optionally you can give a small note here. If you want to add more documents, just click on the plus and do it the same like before. To send it, just use that button, and that's it. If you want to receive fax messages, you have to tap on this little tab icon, and you have to get a fax number. Tap on it, and that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.